service.
Family ya mutigaire General Francis Ogolla itongoretio ni mutumia wake Aileen ni manyitanire na thirikari kumuhe gitio giake kia muthia na ikiro cia ubiraru.
KDF Ahua
Ndumiriri-ini yawe reheanitwo ni Murio Joel Omondi ni acokeirie thirikari ngatho ni undu wa gwitikira kuiguithania wendi wa ithe na mitaratara ya ubiraru mihang'o-ini ya kumuhe gitio giake kia muthia.
Hii mambo mingi ya casket ati mtu mkubwa 500,000 1 million, his essence and spirit is no longer with us. This is a body which he served the country with, and now it is finished.
Hari maundu mana maria thathaurite ta muthingi wa muturire wa mutigaire General Ogolla wa mbere ni uhoro wake gukorwo ari mwitigiri na mwendi Ngai.
In that helicopter wreck is his Bible, which was his most precious possession. Anyone who worked with him in DHQ, MAB, lab, wherever can attest that he always had a Bible with him. And I am hoping they are able to retrieve it from the accident. I want to keep it as a memento.
Augite muturire-ini wake ndarari no horo wa maundu manene thengia wake gukorwo ari na gituro kinene kiwira na nikio akuwitwo na ithanduku ria mbao itari hure randa na agathikwo atari na ithanduku.
He was the poorest man in spirit. Easy chase cars mingi, ofisi kubwa, watu kumuita CDF, General sir. To him it was all vanity. It was unnecessary thing for him to be able to fulfill his job.
Kuri General Ogolla wira wake na family yake irari cia bata na ikiro ciganaine na ndarari na mutugo wa gutira andu mauthi na ati umwe wa maundu maria maratumaga aigue ahinyiririkiire ni riria gwatuika maabitha a mbutu yake ni matharikirwo.
And he respected every single human life. His worst days was when he had or rather different days he hears his soldiers have been hit. He was actually mourning like he was mourning a child.
Wendo wake hari mutumia wake na family yake urari munene na ni anaririkanagia Murio angigakorwo atariho ni wira wake kuoya ithenya riri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.